Meaning of heel bar.
Heel bar.
Heel bar.
Heel bar.
Heel bar. A heel bar is a small, raised portion at the back of a shoe or boot that provides extra support to the wearer's heel. It typically extends from the sole of the shoe and curves upwards, creating a contoured shape that helps keep the foot in place. Heel bars are commonly found on Western-style boots and some dress shoes, and they can be made from a variety of materials such as plastic, metal, or leather. The design of a heel bar can also vary depending on the style of shoe, with some featuring intricate patterns or decorative detailing.